How to log into Box Game Earning. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Box Game Earning. Login in Box Game Earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Box Game Earning. Type Box Game Earning, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Scroll down a little bit and click on the third link. It will take you directly to the login page. Or you can type this URL. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your number and OTP. Input the number associated with your Box Game Earning in the designated field. Then enter the OTP in the provided field. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.